Hey, how you doing? It's your boy, John the Medina, stay-on-home entrepreneur. I want to welcome you to the Biz Club TV platform. I want to go ahead and break down some things to you. I mean, I couldn't sleep. I'm a little tired. If you see me slurring my words, it's 5:56 in the morning. But you know when I find things new in the system and find things new I could use for our team, I gotta go ahead and make a video of it, man. I couldn't sleep. So if you see me that I'm half asleep and talking slurring and blah blah blah, don't mind that. Just go ahead and laugh and just throw it to the side, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just break you down real quick, man. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss this, man. Towards the end, I'm gonna share some powerful things with you that you can use. For those that are on the team, y'all gonna love this. And for those that haven't joined yet, man, y'all missing on some powerful things that I'm always some content, some powerful things that I'm always coming up with. But the only people that get this personal training is the team. Some things that I share on YouTube is different than the things that I share on my platform and the things that I share on the team. So guys, those that want to get a full effect of what I'm doing, you got to join this platform, man. I mean, 7 days for free, you can't beat it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a breakdown, man, how this platform works. And this platform, remember, it's for entrepreneurs, people that want to put their business out there more in front of people, the audience, right? Of your audience, of your leads, and like your prospects. So that's what we call them as entrepreneurs and stuff like that, right? So basically, it's just be able to build your audience, get more of a trust with your audience because we got to do videos. Nowadays it's about video marketing, guys. If you haven't done no video marketing, if all you're doing is throwing out your website, all you're doing is just getting your information out there through websites. Remember, all they're seeing is a website with letters on it, words on it, and that's it. You know what I mean? They're not seeing no presentation. They're not seeing you talking about your business opportunity. So, guys, this is a platform that will bring your business to a whole different level by you bringing it out there, and then you presenting it yourself, saying, "Yo, how you doing? My name is so and so. This is the business opportunity that I am doing." And blah. Now you can put your items underneath the platform. Like you can put your items underneath here, right? And that's you talking up here. You could do a live feed, right? You could do a live feed while you're talking about your items that are down here. All right, guys. Let me see if I can go into one of my other websites. Oh yeah, let me show you this real quick. Yeah, and yesterday, right? Because like I said, it's early it's in the morning right now. Yesterday, I went to sleep the day before yesterday at like 7 o'clock in the morning. I mean, cause sometimes I stay up is working on some things, right? Because when I get ideas pop up, at night that's when the most ideas come up. So I started doing some things last night, and then look how many people went into my site. When I woke up at 3 in the afternoon, I woke up and it was at 200 and 200 253 around there, right? Of people already went into my website, and me while I was sleeping. So that's the whole purpose of this platform is to get your business in front of thousands of people at a time, right? So right now I'm at the hundreds. You know what I mean? That's good enough for me. And while I'm sleeping, that was at the hundreds. That was at two something while I was sleeping. So just imagine. So now I'm gonna show you some things that you could do to be able to get that and get engagement. Look, I'm already at 248, and that's just a new day. You know what I mean? New day. And I haven't even been posting like that. So guys, let me go ahead and refresh it real quick, see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and refresh it. Still look at 90. Look at the numbers, guys. Look at the numbers at 97. I just refreshed it at 97. While I refreshed it, right? So now I'm going to go to what I use. What else? What I was going to say? Oh yeah, check this out, guys. I'm gonna show you something. The power behind this power lead system, right? It's connected to our business, right? So check this out. Let me see where it is at. Tutorial. Oh, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you something real quick. So I work with different opportunities, right? So look at my back. You already know I'm a little half tired, man. My back wall, right? So you see how it looks right here. It says short on marketing dollars, right? So look at I'm over here. I'm up here, right? Talking about the items that I have, right? These are free opportunities that I got down here, right? So now I'm talking about these items right here, free opportunity, free cards. Look at this. I got that right there. I'm talking about three different opportunities under one platform, right? Let me see if we keep going down. See, I got that one. I got that one right there. You make $10 per referral. Now, these are just different things that I use, different techniques. This is just a little demo, right? It's just a little demo. I can make it a little bit better. I did it real quick, just to do this training real quick. It's kind of slow. Kind of what happened? Ooh, what happened? Kind of recording. Stop recording. So let me go down from above. I think it froze up. So now check this out. So now I got that one right there. So I got them all on the one platform, right? And then what I'm doing is I'm presenting the items up here. You see what I mean? I'm presenting them. I'm talking about the items up here. So I'm, hey, how you doing? My name is so and so. The first item is this. The second item is this. The third item is this. You see what I mean? So you could be able to brand yourself in so many ways with this platform. Where now, and then you're gonna have your own personal website. That those are different opportunities that I'm promoting. But then when I hit right here to this page, I'm gonna go into my presentation page. Something else that I'm promoting, the Biz Club TV, right? So it's gonna be built as promoting this. See, channel 14 is gonna be your personal brand channel. So it's gonna go to channel Jonathan TV. You know what I mean? And then now, not only that, then you're gonna have all that. Right, then you're gonna have your Facebook right here. They can click on that and go straight into your Facebook to get to know you better. Because remember, a lot of people when they go into these apps, the first thing they want to know who am I gonna buy off of? Who is present who's behind it all? You know what I mean? So now they're gonna have your income stream right here. We're gonna go into my business opportunity where I got my videos right there about my business opportunity. Get another video. See, remember, nowadays it's about videos. People don't want to be reading. People are getting lazy nowadays. A lot of people like to read, but a lot of people getting lazy. There's a lot of lazy people out there. And I'll tell you one thing, I'm one of them. 'Cause I don't like to read. I mean, I could read for a little bit, but I ain't got no time for reading. Right? So nowadays everything's through video. So I'm gonna present them to another video, breaking down the opportunity by the company. You see what I mean? So I'm breaking it down to them, but at the same time, got the company doing the rest of the work, guys. It's always good to do video marketing because of that reason. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you something else, but it's on my other page. Now, see, you've seen them numbers, right? You see how the numbers are growing while I'm here with you guys, right? Look at all these things you can do. You can do subdomains, view your domains. I'm gonna go ahead and go to some of my subdomains. I'm gonna show you something, right? Look at all the other subdomains I can make. These are all subdomains that I can make. You see what I mean? So these are all subdomains I can make. And in my other page, I got thousands, bro. I got a whole bunch of different ones that I can make. Because like I said, you can put only videos. I target all types of people, man. I target the people that I need to target to be able to help them build their business from home. My whole purpose is to help at least by the end of January, by the beginning of January, have at least 500 members active already, which on my side, active already with the system, man. And I tell you what, it's already almost there. And look at this. See how it's 97 earlier, now it's 98. And that's all I do, man. Just try to show people how to now. The feature now, these are new features that just got added to the platform. And I'm gonna tell you how powerful it is, where we could get more people involved with your business. Because these are all platforms. Let me explain to you something. See all these channels right here? Mindset, Coach Corner, Classic, right? All these channels right here, people can log in and they got all kinds of audios. I mean, smooth music, hip hop, smooth jazz, smooth pop. And these videos, these are music that people can just go ahead and just relax and do some work, clean around the house. And these are all live feeds, man. These are all live feed videos. Music is playing. So you just imagine if people just go into that live feed and listen to music, excuse me, that want to listen to jazz and just go ahead and relax and just do their work or whatever. Sometimes I like to listen to music while I'm working. So I listen to music every time. So now that's another feature that's powerful, right? So now I'm gonna show you the most powerful one out of those features right there with the music, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this other one right here that's called MLM Chat 24/7. So now this one right here, the way this one works is that right now, see, I'm right here, I'm in the chat right now, right? And if I want to get people, so now this is another live feed music playing, pop music playing, all kinds of music playing. So now if I want to go ahead and share this on Facebook, on Twitter, Messenger, Pin, and then all these over here, I can share this to everybody around the world. Right? And that's what's gonna happen. Remember, it's a new feature that just came out, so we still in the process of death. So everybody right now is starting to get on it. Everybody's right now starting to use it. So now this right here changes every week. We change it every week. So that's just for the platform. But if you want to create a new one, you can. But we just try to make it just with this one. Because like I said, you got to go through the training to be able to do all this stuff like this. But the training is gonna show you how to get everything set up. So now this is gonna be the topic of the day. Right? How much money should someone be making in their work from home business before they decide to quit their job? Right? Before they decide before they decide to quit their 9 to 5, right? And this is a question that they ask, and then boom, you go down here, and then eventually you're gonna have people commenting. You already know me doing my little things, little emojis and stuff like that. I'm always having fun with it, right? You got people commenting, and you gonna have people coming back and just logging in and logging out. So now imagine you get everybody logging to the topic, right? So we try to keep it all professional. We don't try to put people on there and start talking about personal problems and all that crazy stuff that's going on, and then Japan and all that stuff that's going on in this place and that. We don't know. It's all about marketing, entrepreneurs, all going in there and giving their option about the topic, right? So now, best part about it is that once they go in here, you're gonna have your own personal photo right there. So that way you're branding yourself, letting the people know that this is my page. How you doing? You know what I mean? Hey, it's Jonathan Medina. Welcome to the show. You know what I mean? So now you got that, and then they could go into your Facebook to find out who you are, or they go to your recommended screen. You know what I mean? So they're gonna go to that or your channel. You see what I mean? So you got different ways of going through this. And then not only that, this all gonna be linked to you. So that means that if they go to this page right here and they want to register for the Monday Night Live, the hangout that we have, all they got to do is click on there, and it's gonna go to your landing page. Right? It's gonna look like this. right? That's going to be your landing page. Now, when they go into this landing page, all they got to do is go through the information. And now, when they put the information in, here goes my boy right here, the creator of the system, man. Is my boy, man. Is my brother, man. He's been great mentor, very great. So now, let me go and explain something to you. So now, you see this right here, right? So now, when they go in, they log in, and the best part about it that when they go through your features, when they go through your landing page, when they go sign in through you, they're gonna go into that page where it's gonna be on Mondays, right? They're going to receive emails about the Monday night meetup, hangout. So that means that if they log into that hangout, you don't even got to be at the hangout. If let's say you're having a busy day, right? You're having a busy day, you can't even show up for the hangout. All you got to do is give your registration hangout to them, right? And when they log in, and anybody that logs in through your website to that hangout, you're going to get the commission. So basically, we're going to be doing the work. We're going to be doing the presentation, and all you have to do is just bring the people to the presentation so we can break it down to them. And if when they decide to join, you're going to get credit. So we make it much easier for you to go ahead and get paid, man. We made it much easier for people to get paid nowadays. All right, so now let me go ahead and add and tell you something how I'll be able to brand this. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer, right? If you got whatever kind of business opportunity that you're in, you want to make sure you target the right people that you want. You got to target the right people, man. You don't want to just target just anybody. Let me go ahead and just refresh something over here real quick, so I can go ahead and do it real quick for you guys. So I can show you what I mean. So I'm gonna give you some quick advice for you guys that are starting marketing right now. That is just throwing your targets. Yeah, he's going all over the place. Because some people, that's like I used to be the same way too. Until I learned that you don't want to just target just anybody, right? So now I gotta say, I work for my econ. You know, what I mean, I got different opportunities. I got different things that I promote. So I'm gonna target the right people. I'm just not gonna target just random people, right? I'm not going to target people that just, if I'm doing credit repair, why am I going to target somebody that's talking, that's doing health products, right? And there's another feature that I have. If y'all don't got this, y'all got to get on this too. So, I mean, like I do training on all this stuff, guys. I don't play, man. I try to bless everybody I can, right? So let me go, this is one of my accounts. I'm going to go to my other one real quick. And I just waited for a load. So guys, I'm teaching you some things right now that could really grow your business, guys. Like I do everything in so many different ways but you got to be in the team to be able to go and join our group, our private group that I'm always doing dropping some powerful bombs, man. So nuggets, right? So now let me see. So slow. I got so much stuff up here open. That's why. Well, I'm just waiting for the load real quick. Let me go ahead and delete some of this stuff. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is something that I love doing, man. I got a passion for this, man. I love working online. I love helping people build their business. So I'm going to my other page. I got these two. I got a whole bunch. I got more to add on here, but I'm just taking my time first. And and there's a new page that I just opened. I just opened it even like about a week ago. Right? I opened this a week ago, and I already got like 500 something people already in there, and more to come. Guys, trust me, I got a way of getting you more people on your page in a matter of minutes. Right? So I'm gonna go ahead and here real quick. So here's my Build Club TV fan page. I mean, I got that prepared for people that want to go in there watch videos, man. That's what I do. All right, so let me go ahead and do this real quick so I can go ahead and show you what I mean by targeting the right people. This is a new page that I opened. I just opened this page on October, and I already got 526 members in the page. And I'm gonna show everybody that joins. I'm gonna show you how to get a lot of members all at one time. All right, so let me go ahead and go into. Let me see, so I can show you what I mean by targeting the right people. So now let me go to my channel guide. Man, I could just went over there. Why I did that? All right, let me go back. Let me just go over here. All right, so let me go in here real quick. My channel, right? So now, if I'm working for credit repair, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my Facebook, right? And I'm gonna go into who am I gonna target? People that work in credit repair, right? So I'm gonna hit people up. I'm gonna post my link where it talks about credit repair, right? That's simple, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and here. I'm gonna show you something. I don't know if I got any groups in here yet. I know I gotta add a few of them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this real quick so I can see. Bum. Right, let's see. I don't got no credit places on here yet. No, this is my new page, so I didn't get nothing like that. So I'm going to just go ahead and share somewhere real quick to show you how powerful and how easy it is to go ahead and just go ahead and post in different groups. So you could write anything that you want right here, and you share it. All right, guys, it's that simple. So I'm going to stop this video right now. So God bless, and hopefully to see you guys on the team. Deep sent.